And we're live. Hey, geography students. It's Sunday night. I'm going to give you your instructions. They're pretty simple for this week here. I'll put a written one in the thing, but it really doesn't matter. It'll tell you to go look at my ugly mug here. Okay, here's the deal. We have one thing left to do in class, and one thing only left to do in class, and that is your papers, your investigation discovery, your PowerPoints. I just looked in there. I see I have 5 submissions already. That's good. We're going to meet this week at our regular scheduled bat time, 1 o'clock, on the Zoom channel, which I'll have set up for you. It's not that complicated a deal. We'll meet at 1 o'clock both times, Monday and Wednesday. If we get it all done on Monday, then we won't worry about Wednesday at all. But that's up to you, and depends on how the technology works. I can do stuff over the Zoom. That's not too big a deal. I've done that. It's you doing stuff over Zoom that we'll have to kind of mess around with just a little bit. But the presentation shouldn't take very long. Basically, you're going to walk us through your PowerPoint, explain what it is, and we're going to learn from you. And the students will then ask questions of you as the presenter. It's not that complicated a thing. Like I said, there's 3 parts: the PowerPoint, your presentation, and the written stuff that you turn in. So I'll put all the 3 things together. I have a little rubric of my own that I've worked up for this thing, and then I go through and grade it all. That's about it. It's really not that big a deal. I don't care where you're at, how you do it, as long as we can hear you and see everything. It's not too complicated. If I have to run the PowerPoint, we'll do that. Again, we'll work out the details as we go through the whole thing. That's pretty much it. It's not a complicated thing to do. So with that in mind, that's really all I have. Again, 1 o'clock tomorrow, I will put the instructions in the written instructions. I will put the Zoom URL into the thing. If we run into too many problems, we have the Discord right over here. I'll zip through the Discord at you all. All right? So it shouldn't be too big a deal. That's about it, really. So I hope you're doing good on the social distancing. Finals week is coming up. It's the following week. I'll have a final for you. It'll be due by the 14th, 11:59 p.m., midnight. And the late work has to be done by then as well. So that doesn't give you license not to do the work. It's just the late work's going to be due, and that's it. So take it for what it is. On Friday, on the 15th, I'm going to grade everything in all 3 classes. I will turn in the final grades that afternoon. I will begin to have a nice weekend. I have on May 26th, I have a big Pathfinder tournament coming up. I got the whole week off. We got a big, long, big weekly tournament. And so I'm going to enjoy it while I can, because I have the summer semester to teach and a bunch of other things to do. The state's reopening tomorrow. Be careful. Keep your social distancing up. I don't think we're done with the virus. But then again, I am just a simple geography and history teacher who reads things like, Spanish flu from 1918, second wave, and the third wave, which they don't tell you about, but hey. So, and now the H1N1 had a second wave. So, we may not have a second wave. Keep your fingers crossed. But on the other hand, we usually do. And sometimes we have more than 1 waves. So keep the social distancing up. I hope you all are safe. I want to see you all this coming up in September. For those of you who will still be here, won't be graduating, moving on to their schools. So other than that, that's all I got for you. Have a good one. I'll see you tomorrow, 1 o'clock.